Quick review for you of the Bullseye Blower. This can be used as a leaf blower or to help dry your vehicle when you're washing it. I'm gonna show you what you get with it, put it together, show you how it works. As you can see, when we open the box, it comes packaged very nicely. It has these two extra extensors on the blower that will just attach to the end. You've got the blower itself. This is the well, you can see it says the AC wall charger. So this is just going to plug right into the wall, and then this is going to be how you charge your batteries, and we have those here. Okay, so we have the 20-volt battery. They've got some weight to them, you can tell, and a second one. 2 batteries is amazing. You can have one always charging or always charged as you are using it. So very helpful to have that. You can see that they are just going to slide right into the bottom. Once they're charged, you're good to go. Okay, so we have the 2 nozzles. Everything comes really well labeled as well, just to, even the charger, it tells you when the light is red, it's not charged, when the light turns green, fully charged. So there's instructions all over the place. As you can see, we've got 2 little notches on both sides of the extension nozzles. You just put them in, line them up, and then you give it a twist to lock. It even tells you which way to twist it to lock. So you can leave these stickers on if you want. Once you know how to use it, you can turn them off. We got a battery that is fully charged, and it's just, it's just one button. Okay, so this one is the longer nozzle. So if you're trying to blow things that are farther away, so this could be a good option for blowing off your deck or your porch or whatnot with leaves and dirt and whatnot. The other option I've seen is this being used for helping dry your vehicles after you've been washing it, or your bikes or any sort of outdoor equipment. So for that, I would probably use just this shorter nozzle so you can get closer to it. You're probably more hands-on at that point. But overall, there is actually a lot of power with this. So overall, it actually blows really well. So I'm gonna try to clean off my deck in a couple spots and show you how it works. So here you can see my husband actually has our deck steps pulled apart because we are in the process of trying to get it stained this year, but you can see that there is some debris that has blown in here. So I've got the long nozzle on. Again, it's just a pull of the trigger. So overall, this is actually really powerful. It's going to be so handy to use to not have to get the big leaf blower out. Again, if you're just trying to blow off your walkways, your deck, your patio, this would be a great tool to have, and it doubles for working at blowing out your vehicle, drying off your vehicle. Would definitely recommend. So I hope this helped.